Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $2.9 okay, and if you see, there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, this the first thing that you have to note, that there is a pattern forming, and what this pattern is saying, that there is a higher chances that it can move further upside. Okay, and if it goes below a level of $2.797, $1, that is where a further downfall we can see. Otherwise there is a continuous upside is there. Okay, see, look at this particular trend, there is a continuous upside we have seen. So as soon as it breaks a level of around $2.965, chances are very high it will go further high. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. As I've already explained you that there is a clear pattern forming and chances are very high that it can go further upside. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, this is the range where it is already being tested here, this level, a level of 3.053. okay, you have to keep a note of that if the price comes close to this level, a further upside we can see. Okay, or if it moves above that level, the probability of going towards 3.09 will be there, and from there a probability of touching 3.2 to a level of 3.4. okay, so first point, what you have to understand, that as soon as it moves out of a zone of $3.053, chances of going further high we can see. Or if it started falling below a level of $2.79, okay, then we can see, yes, a probability it can go further low. So what you can see looking at this particular chart for the next 2 days, see, if it sustain, chances are very high, yes, it will sustain and it can go further high towards its next resistance, which is, see, this is the support which is still a low, but it is moving above that level. So it can cross a level of around $2.9365, because this is the half of this zone which is already being tested here. So chances are high it will cross that level and it will touch a level of around $2.9705. okay, this is the level it can touch after crossing a level of $2.8365. okay, and if you go today also, see, if you go, we can see there is an economic event is happening today. Okay, and for this particular week also you can see there are a lot of economic events, so we can see a good volatility. Okay, so if it moves above a level of 3, a further upside we can see. Okay, today as we can see there are 2 or 3 economic events, so there can be higher probability that we can see a good volatility in the natural gas price. Okay, so if the price sustain above $2.365 and this level is already being tested, so chances are high it will go towards $2.9704. okay, and if it moves above this particular level, we can see it will go further high and a probability of touching a level of $3.0345. okay, so once the price sustain above this level, it will cross that level and it will go towards $3.0494. okay, so once started sustaining above this level, a further high we can see towards a level of $3.0555, and if the price sustain above this level, we can see it can go further upside. Keep that in mind, because this is the range where it is being tested, already being tested. So chances will be high it will go further high and it will cross a level of 3.0847 after crossing a level of 3.053. Again I repeat, if the price sustain this level, a level of 2.9240 which is trading at, it will go towards a level of $2.9365. okay, and if this level sustain, a probability of touching a level of $2.9765. okay, so once these 2 points resistance moved upside, then we can see it will go further high and then it will cross a level of $3.245. it will touch this level after crossing a level of 2.9745. okay, and then it started sustaining of this level, you will see that it will go towards its high of around 3.053, which is already being tested here. So chances are very high it will sustain that level and it will go further high and towards a level of $3.099 we can see, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 3.2350. As soon as started sustaining of this level, you will see it will go further high and it will touch a level of 3.3 $155, and from there a further upside we can see. This is the day wise I am telling you, so I am not going beyond $3.3. Okay, and if it goes above that dollars, you can see my weekly video where I have explained it can go. Now, as I have already explained you that you have to understand market is uncertain. Okay, so if the market is going upside, you can see the direction. Okay, and always try to set your SL so that if it comes down, because market is uncertain, if anything news comes or sudden news comes, then this SL will save your capital. And if you are trailing your profit, trailing your SL, then it will be saving your profit. These two things are very important. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards its next support at a level of $2.9125, and if the price fall below this level, we can see it will go towards $2.9030. Okay, and once the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards 2.8837, and if the price move below that level, a further fall we can see, and chances of going towards a level of 2.8417 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below 2.8417, then a further fall we can see, and a probability of going towards 2.8324 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of $2.9755. Okay, now you have to understand something. The price is moving in this range, so as soon as this range breaks further down or upside, a further fall or a rise we can see in the price of natural gas. Suppose if the price fall below this level, our chances of going towards 2.194 will be there, and from there next supported at the level of 2.8955. If it moves below this level, we can see a level of 2.8876, and once started falling below this level, we can see a level of 2.8329. Okay, then there will be a breakout towards downside, and then what you can see, it will go further low and a probability of going towards 2.8021. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see, and chances of going towards 2.7906 is there. Okay, after this level we can see a level 2.7906, and if the price fall below this level, a further fall we can see, and chances of touching a level of around 2.7602 we can see. Okay, so once the price fall below 2.7602, then a further fall we can see towards $2.7355, and from there a further fall towards a further down we can see to a level of 2.6635. Okay, you have to keep that in mind, because there is a higher chances that as soon as it moves below a level of 2.8, we can see a level of $2.794 to a level of 2.7640 to a level of 2.702, and then from there we can see it will fall below a level of 2.7, and it can come a level of around 2.675. If the price fall below $2.8, I'll make another video explaining you where it can. Probability is very high as soon as it breaks a level of $2.8, then a further fall we can see. Otherwise, there is a higher chances that if it keeps sustaining over $2.8876, a further high we can see for the price of natural gas. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.